In this video, we are talking about the top 5 healthiest food in the world. Green tea. Researchers have shown that green tea has positive effect on hypertension, diabetes, and blood cholesterol maintenance. It supports the bone health and burn body fat. Green tea does more than just keep you alert. It may also help to boost your brain functions. It is just because of its active key ingredient caffeine. Green tea is rich in polyphenols that are natural compounds that helps to reduce the inflammation and cancer causing agents. So that's why you should have to select high quality brand of green tea, because low quality contain excessive amount of fluoride. Avocados. Some people avoid to consume avocados due to their high fat content. However, avocados provide healthful fats as well as vitamin B, vitamin K and vitamin E. These are also excellent source of fiber. These also increase the high level of lipoprotein density, means HDL. It helps to reduce bad cholesterol from your body. Broccoli. Broccoli provides good amount of calcium, magnesium, folates and phytonutrients. Phytonutrients are the compounds that help to reduce the risk of heart diseases as well as other diseases risk like diabetes and cancer are also reduced by broccoli. Broccoli also provides some essential antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotenes. In fact, a single half cup of broccoli can provide 85% of person daily needs of vitamin C. Almonds. Almonds contains lots of healthy fats as well as it also contains fibers, calcium, magnesium and vitamin E. The health benefits of almonds are: almonds reduces the blood sugar level and blood cholesterol level. They can also reduces the hunger and helps in promoting the weight loss. Almonds are loaded with rich antioxidants and polyphenols. So that is why it is healthy to consume certain amount of almonds daily. Apples. As you know that an apple a day doctors keep away, and it is because apples are the rich source of antioxidants. Many vitamins and minerals are also present in apples. Furthermore, apples are the rich source of dietary fiber. Antioxidants that are present in apple helps to fight against the radicals that are present in the body and cause cancer. Antioxidants are also provide protection against inflammation that can lead to chronic condition. Some studies also have shown that apples are helpful to increase the lifespan of a person and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. So that's it. Hopefully you guys learned a lot with this video. So friends, don't forget to like, share and comment this video. At the end, take a lot of care. Allah Hafiz.